Hello friends, today we are going to see the tutorial of floor and wall. How can be done? Okay, so we have created already work plane or workpiece. Okay, so now our next step is create operation and floor and wall. I will choose programming or whatever cutter you want to use, you can use it. There is a 50 mm thickness that part. Okay, so first we will analyze the part like that 50 mm. Okay, so we can also use that 50 mm tool cutter as well as possible. Okay, if I want to do fast programming, so I will check depth 20 distance, click over it, and once again click, and this part, this specific click, or this is the 15 mm. So I want to use 50 bull as well as possible. We will use in operation programming 50 bull. I want to use 50 bull workpiece same or mill roughing. Okay, floor and 150 bull rough. Okay, we will specify the area floor. This floor I want to cut or this floor. Okay, okay. Then this is our mill rough, or I want to use follow part. Okay, or 100% of the tool I want to use. Our stock has been 15.2, 15 mm tab. Depth of cut 0.2. Cutting parameter stock I want 0.1 both sides. Floor and wall I want only 0.1. Okay, our tolerance is 08. Connection strategy. Okay, we will see non-cutting move. Here is our non-cutting move. We can choose arc as well as possible. Arc no, I don't want. I want linear. Okay, linear 1 mm length I want. Upside. This tower also I want ram 1 mm. Okay. Medium clear 3 mm. Okay. Ram concept transfer rapid. Automatic plane 120 mm. Okay. This is our previous plan as we know 0.5. 0.5. Okay. Engagement lift and plunge 1 mm. Clearance option previous plane 0.2. 0.5. Okay. Initial and finishing approach. This is okay. Then okay. We will specify the feed and speed. I want feed rate 2000 mm per minute. Okay. Or 1700, 1800 is okay. 1800 is enough for 50 bull as a roughing we are using now. You can see over here what type of look like that. There is a non-cutting move 1 mm back coming. Okay, so we will change the setting of non-cutting move. Non-cutting move previous plane direct. Okay, between region previous plane. Between region previous plane we can use 0.5. Okay, there is none or none we can use and watch what's going on about it. Okay, we will use none, no direct. Okay, okay, then direct. This is not looking good. Okay, so tool distance we can use 50%. Okay. Not looking good, but we can use tool. In the pipe tool, 50%. So automatic valve we can use. Follow para we will use. Okay, then we will generate. Our roughing program has been completed. As you know, this is our roughing program. Once I want to choose 50 bull, okay, and I want to watch. This is okay, I think, 50 bull. One pass program. This is very good programming. Okay, we will verify the program. 2D dynamic, fine, or we will see. Now we will watch that time, programming time. These are only 34 minutes, okay. So this is good.